Sorry about that. Christian, thank you. Each time I commit the back. In a below commitment for whatever there is on when I go out of the go seeking event, so I can make it because they are
Jesus. Onye nwanyị nwere na-eme n'ụwa nke gị onwe gị na-eburu ụzọ mmadụ na ya niile. Ịma na taa na-enwe na-enwe ọgbakọ a na-akpọ n'oyibo emergency meeting. Dịka anyị chere taa na-enwe na ebe anyị ga-eme meeting intended. Anyị agbakọwo ezi ike nga n'ibite. Anyị siri ka ịbụrụ onye isi ihe na ndị kpata na-enwe n'ọnwụ. Kanani ki wee chia n'aba Jizọs. Wepụla anyị okpuru nke mmụọ na okpuru nke mmadụ. Wepụla anyị okwu ọjọọ na ihe ọjọọ n'ụzọ ọbụla. Ka amara gị bụ ọba na mitini weta anyị nwa n'aba Jizọs. Anyị na-ewere mitini were tinye n'aka Chukwu bụ Nna, Ọbara na Mmụọ Nsọ. N'aha Jizọs bụ Onyenwe anyị.
Onye na-ara awala biko anyị nwere biko anyị continue ịchọ ịnọdụ n'oche gị so wee ka anyị na-appoint ose officially ịnọdụ n'oche appointed nọdụ n'oche gị nwere oche nọ na ebe anyị na-eme dị amen please.
President Akwani, kuna mmoja akadede. Watu wote. Kuna wakati mmoja. Wakati mmoja. Hicho kaneke kwa mna executive. Hicho ni watu mmoja. Ndio. Wewe watu mmoja. Hii ndio komite ya kujuzi. Watu mmoja. Láti gbogbo ẹ̀kọ́ tó ká ilé ìwúrẹ̀ sí ẹ̀fà tó kẹ́bẹ̀lẹ̀ gbọ́ ọgbọ̀ ìjìnà ó yíká náà wá a máa yẹ́ púpọ̀ àyè òkúkú ìrìnà ìnáka lónàdẹ̀ maka lónàdẹ̀ àyẹ̀wò ọ̀gbẹ̀lẹ́kù ọmọ ní bẹ́ àdẹ̀kù ọgbọ̀ sí na ilé lẹ́yìn òjì gẹ́gẹ́ wọ́n wọ̀ nílẹ̀ ẹ̀zọ́ ẹ̀zọ́ wọ́n àti wọ́n ti bẹ́ẹ̀ ní ẹ̀ka ẹ̀zọ́ tó bí bíbí wọ́n Mmadụ ikwu ọgwụ aka ede dere kwuru n'ịga achịchi anyị agị 3x3 nye ihe mkpu ya na ego ihe nne bụ ndị na-ebu ndị n'ebe a udo ka anyị na-ekwu okwu na dị 2
Yeah, that's it.
Today, one, to change the leadership structure of the government. Yeah, this is people here. I will be able to remember. I will be taking it. Two, last year, 2024, about December, government through the Commissioner for Local Government and Citizenship Affairs, directing us on how to select the leadership for training. So those are the two things we look at. And so, keep my contact and we move on from there. Don't mind going up there for you go guys. After always live if they like always live or prevent as long as they do all they like you were away like this you are leader. They like quiet you will be away. Even if I like to pay them up, will not like that. So, what believe now the one person life. Now if I all your friends know that they do this, I walk in here, one here, whatever like and wait to look back on place and I must appreciate everybody. Na since I used to wear Chila, Ludo, na Chebe, na Tete. Chineke Tete, Brahman Tete. So Brahman, where are you? But Chineke Tete, I never. What will I do? So I appreciate everybody. Thank you. I am more impressed na number of that meeting, even though na MSM Road do what advertisement about. No, I'm on a platform they need. They can know where they are. So, SNM oil, no one tell them now for some time. I'm over time. I didn't have people that we were not yet. From time to time, what was specific. Okay, so that somewhere maybe you put that WhatsApp, WhatsApp, each kata meeting. Abatana, well, we went for there. Oburoi Bata. Okay. Over by unnecessary criticism. People know that you are getting one, I don't like it. Você aí
I am a
Instruction from the Lord check. Instruction from the
why the Lord? Okay. Okay. Please. Who really go? Okay, anyị mere meeting early this year ka ndị ike galitara akwụkwọ gbasara our first vice president general. We went about investigate go activities here. Not drawn in line with the no level there. Therefore, the fire here. I welcome my dad who went the line one, not right here with the so that went here. So, where went the good? Where did you let them? Where was that? That is the of course, and they can't let that. Now I say, hope I don't get it. Now, whenever I want to go, Mr. Augustine Monica, as first vice president general, then representing Deacon. Now, in his place, na ha na-ewelite Ichie Emmanuel Nwoye from Ataba as his replacement. So from the letters, from today, na Mr. Ichie Emmanuel Nwoye has been selected as new first vice president general.
Apakah yang wani? Nah, dia tiba di mana masih ada kain masih dia. Ini dulu. Kenapa betul ini yang wani? Apa orang nyawa? Akan kembali ya.
Kaiti is so much silent. Oh yeah, it is silent. All of the people in the silent. Silent. People. All good at the Ghana by you are silent. What we are going to have a little time. It's okay. You put looking at silent or one way about you. Okay. Another one was left down government in the learning from Commissioner for Local Government and Agency Affairs. On the 9th of December 2024, I would have a neighbor, Kaiwelo, emergency twice where we see directly by the level now based on court judgment, the high court judgment and the that of appeal court judgment. Now one clothing abroad or where of what you went. Therefore, when I read here, gave you a duty and a general. We put Nande, you will be by the Republic and I will never. And based on that, from the 23rd of January or thereabouts, No, for that December, when one weekend, they did one for so and then government, and therefore they should start the process of selecting the correct project according to government letters. So, where the same way, one is the man on the 15th of September 2025. When I cannot enable meeting. That's how they run. I think I have to read it. Also, not dedicated to me. Since in that I have to read it. Rather than acknowledging and implementing directly on the selection of the new national law and their resolution. Acknowledgement and implementation of your directive on the selection of a new national law. We acknowledge receipt of your letter dated 23rd of December 2024 containing the directive of the Honorable Commissioner for Local Government, Chieftaincy and Community Affairs, Anambra State, on the urgent need to commence the process of selecting a new traditional ruler of the station. We sincerely appreciate your guidance and wish to inform you that the General Assembly has scheduled a general meeting for 15th of September 2025 to carry out the said directive. The delay in convening the meeting arose from the fact that the current executive was only recently inaugurated, coupled with the numerous court-related issues that require careful consideration. Our intention is to ensure that due process is strictly observed in line with the state government directive and the custom. We assure you of our full cooperation in this important assignment and we duly communicate the outcome of our meeting for further harmonization. This one was written on the 15th February, a resolution of the General Assembly on the selection of a new traditional ruler of the state. Pursuant to your directive contained in your letter of the 3rd December 2024 and in compliance with the Honorable Commissioner of Local Government, Chieftaincy and Community Affairs, Anambra State. The General Assembly duly convened general meeting on the 15th of September 2025 at the Kenga Village Square. After due consultation and consideration of 45 persons in accordance with the Kenga custom and the direction of the state government, Professor Charles Emmanuel Aduaka emerged as the sole candidate for the stool of the traditional ruler of the state. As there was no opposition or rival candidate, he was returned unopposed and unanimously elected as the choice of the Kenga Reporter for the vacant traditional rulership stool of the state. Accordingly, this resolution is hereby formally communicated to you, the President General of the Development Union, for onward transmission to the appropriate quarters of the community and to the government of Anambra State for further necessary action. Reaffirm our commitment to peace, unity, and respect for due process and integrity. Yours truly, Chief Chikabe, Chairman of the Kenga General Assembly, Chief Edward Aduaka, Secretary of the Kenga General Assembly, then eldest person in Kenga General Assembly. So, face of the letters are read.
Mama,